Indian State Resource Organization. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, children. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yesterday we talked about food chain in nature. So let me see how far you have understood the topic. Let us first draw a block diagram of a food chain. I'll fill one box with a grasshopper. Kalyan, can you fill the first box?
Yes, sir, I can.
Please come. Good. Now who wants to come here and fill the next box?
Sir, I can do that.
Correct. So far it is observed that grasshopper fits on grass and frog fits on grasshopper. Dicky, what are you doing? Can you fill the next box?
No, sir. I was absent yesterday.
No problem. Today we are revising the topic, so you will learn it now. Sneha, can you fill the next item?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So let me complete the food chain by filling the last box. Now let me ask you a very important question. People consider snake as a very poisonous and harmful animal, and they have tendency to kill them. So if people kill all the snakes in the locality, then what will happen? Yes. Anyone who would like to speak?
Sir, there will be more frogs in the locality as there will be no snake to eat them.
How does that matter? What are the other further consequences? If frogs population increases, then what will happen? What about the eagle? There will be far-reaching consequences if snakes are killed. I will leave this topic here for you to think over. You prepare a short note explaining all these consequences. You take it as your project work. Now I'll tell you a very interesting event that took place long ago in Borneo, which is situated in Southeast Asia. The government of Borneo once launched a massive program of spraying against mosquitoes, as these insects spread the harmful diseases. Consequent upon this, the population of cockroaches reduced, as the mosquitoes are the food of cockroaches. With fewer cockroaches around, lizards started dying faster than its normal rate. Then with fewer lizards, the population of cats reduced, as cat eats these lizards. So now children, tell me what must have happened in the city of Borneo with almost no cats around.
The population of rats must have increased.
Very good. The population of rats increased rapidly. So as a result, plague-bearing insects also increased. More people started dying of plague. Then the government of Borneo started planning for large-scale killing of rats. At this point, the World Health Organization intervened and advised the government not to use chemicals to kill rats. The World Health Organization flew in several thousand cats to Borneo. then the situation was controlled and the spread of plague was averted. Cats started killing rats. Otherwise, who could tell how this food chain might have progressed? Does anybody have any question?
Sir, what would have happened if chemicals were used to kill the rats?
The use of chemicals would have polluted our water sources and also agricultural lands. And imagine what would have happened then.
Very interesting story, sir. We understood now what happened if we disturb the natural food chain.
No, this is not a story. It actually happened. Since the period is going to be over, now I will write a poem on the importance of food chain, composed by a very wise man. The title of the poem is The Wave of Life. This we know, all things are connected. He does to himself. The wave of life. This we know, all things are connected. Like the blood, whatever unites one family. Whatever befalls the earth, befall the sons and daughters of the earth. Man did not weave the wave of life. He is merely a strand in it. Whatever he does to the wave, he does to himself. Okay, children, copy the poem and try to understand the message hidden in this beautiful piece of writing, and represent this message in a suitable footwear. This will help me to assess the learning outcomes achieved.